Hey everyone, no worries, nothing that is actually broken, I just wanted to see what is inside. So this is the differential, pretty much simple construction, but it is missing grease, so let's fix it. Grease adds some resistance, so it's gonna be much better or easier to drive the car now. Placing back assembled part to the base. The suspension design is really simple and cheap, but it is quite effective. The control board is everything in one. It has a receiver, ESC, some logic to control this bother that makes some mist effect, and it's pretty much fine because I already checked it could survive even 2S battery. This part you could miss because it makes kind of simulation of the car noise, but you still have to connect the motor to the board. I should say that the overall construction has a lot of screws, but the good thing is that all of them are identical, so no worries, and you shouldn't remember where to place each one of them. It's pretty much simple. Try not to mess with a connector for the motor and the buzzer, because even though they are different colors, but the connectors are pretty much the same and there is no any labeling on the board. On the front we have only one wheel, and this nice driver, or it's only head and hands, integrated with the servo, is doing all the steering stuff. Unfortunately, by design there is an issue with the front wheel. It doesn't have any bearings and it rotates not smoothly, but I have an idea how to fix it with a drill. Much better now. Of course, there is no oil in those shocks, but for the price of about $30 for the whole car, it's not bad, right? Now the driver is ready to get back to its place. Another drawback there is that servo is 5 wires, so if you want to apply any replacement, be careful with this. And another drawback is that you couldn't apply any zero there. You have, at least I don't know any one that works with 5 wires. I guess it's time to validate whether I didn't mess up with the wiring. Everything works as expected. Let's put the rest of the body parts on places. Front light should be glued back. And of course, let's put some beauty on the car. A few final checks and we're ready to go. Thank you for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye bye.